I kid you not, but it was the first day when I literally thought कि अब मुझे tension है नहीं. 60% of my tension is just gone. He's just taken. He says while teaching कि अभी मैं ऐसे पढ़ाऊंगा कि तुम्हें नींद में भी ये चीज़ आएगी. And literally it does. मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा वो चीज़ें चलती. I don't know about others, but it happens with me. Oh, it's just because of you, sir. Everything is just going so great. Thank you.
अबाउट एक हफ्ता पहले मैंने अपनी किताब खोली और मेरे मन में एक ही चीज़ थी, मुझसे ये नहीं होगा. पर फिर सर की जब मुझे क्लास के बारे में पता चला और मैंने ज्वाइन किया, सर इतना अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं. पहले तो ऐसा लगता है ना भाई पढ़ा रहा है अपने सामने, एग्जाम्पल्स अच्छे देते हैं, पढ़ाते बहुत अच्छे से हैं. अभी जब बुक खोलता हूँ ना अपनी, लगता है कि सब आएगा, मुझे सब पेपर में पूरे नंबर आएंगे. उसके लिए थैंक यू सर, आपके बिना ये नहीं हो पाता.
My confidence while studying economics has increased after attending just 2 classes of Sir's crash course, and I think this is the best decision I've made. You will understand everything very clearly and you will not have to worry about this subject anymore.
Hello everyone, today I am here to express my views about the accounts crash course which we have joined of Shubham sirs. It's awesome. मतलब बहुत मज़ा आता है क्लासेस में. मतलब जो अकाउंट्स इतनी बुरी लगती थी वो अब इतनी अच्छी लगने लगी है कि ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत इजी हो गई है अकाउंट्स. मतलब हमें प्रोराटा पूरे साल में समझ में नहीं आया, बट हमें 2 दिन में समझ में आ गया. हमने तो कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि हमें इतने अच्छे टीचर्स मिल सकते हैं, शुभम सर जैसे. मतलब अकाउंट से तो प्यार ही हो गया है, इतना अच्छा लगता है. हम लोग इतने स्ट्रेस्ड आउट थे कि हम कैसे करेंगे, क्या होगा 12th में. अकाउंट्स में सबसे ज़्यादा टेंशन थी, तो अकाउंट्स में बस 1 वीक में ही हमने इतना सब पढ़ लिया. 3 to 4 चैप्टर्स हो गए हमारे अच्छे से. हमें इतना मज़ा आया और हमें एक बार में समझ में आ गया.
So buying the crash courses was definitely one of the best decisions I've made, and I'm very confident to score well my boards this year because of Sir's crash courses and the way Sir teaches.
Hey guys, so I would definitely like to appreciate the crash courses taken by Shubham sir, because the best part is that he teaches it to you in a very appropriate and apt manner, and it's to the point, and it's really wonderful how he can cover the entire portion within a span of 45 days. And his method of teaching is very interactive because you can look at him, you can look at the board, and that's a plus on any online classes happening in today's world, which people do not implement do that very easily. So I would definitely recommend you to join his classes, and he's an amazing guy and he's helping me a lot. Actually, I knew nothing about accounts, but right now I can proudly solve at least half of the sums of the half of the portion. So yeah, hats off to him.
Hi everyone, I am Pulkit Singh and I have enrolled in Shubham sir's economics crash course and I am enjoying it a lot. I am not good in economics at all, but sir's way of teaching is really very good and I am getting things really very easily. And sir is so interactive, it doesn't feel like that we are in online class, but we are present physically in front of sir. And thank you sir for the course, and this is my review. Thank you.
Hey everyone, this is Jwala Singh this side, and I'm recording this video to tell you that I've enrolled in Shubham sir's accounts crash course a couple of weeks ago, and this course has helped me a lot. To be honest, I didn't study for the whole year, and I enrolled a couple of weeks back in this crash course, and now I'm able to solve each and every question. I see the questions randomly from my text for the chapters which have been completed, and I'm able to solve them. All thanks to Shubham sir. Thank you so much sir for teaching me, because I hadn't studied for the whole year, and now I think I can score a very good score just by doing this 2 months crash course. Thank you sir.